Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to fix error code 0x87e10001 on Xbox console. So, the first thing we need to do is try restart the Xbox console. Press and hold the power button on your console about 5 to 10 seconds until the light stops. Next, unplug it from the power source, and disconnect any peripheral attached to your console, such as a headset, external hard drive, storage expansion card, HDMI cable, etc. Wait about 5 minutes, then plug the power cable back in, then turn the console on again. Connect external storage to the Xbox and wait until it's recognized and enabled. And check if the problem is fixed. In case the problem still occurs, what you can do now is restore the console to factory settings. To do that, we need turn off the Xbox console by press and hold the power button about 5 to 10 seconds until the light stops. When everything is completely turned off, unplug the Xbox console's power cable. Wait about 5 to 10 seconds, then plug it back. Now, press and hold the pair button. Then press the power button. Do not hold it. Continue to hold the pair button until safe mode screen pops up or hear 2 beeps. The first beep will usually be heard when you press the power button initially, and the second beep after you release the power button, for around 7 seconds. And you can now access safe mode on your Xbox console. Here, Xbox will show you the following 2 options. Option 1, remove everything. Option 2, keep my apps and games. The first option will reset your console and also delete everything from your console. Hence, if you have saved all your games to the cloud, you can select this option. But if your saves are not on the cloud, we suggest you select the reset and keep my apps and games option. This will reset your Xbox console without deleting your game data. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.